Hey guys, how's it going? We are going to dive into a really good technical analysis video of Ethereum. Doesn't matter if you guys are looking to get money in the market, you have money in the market, we're going to deep dive in, we're going to use trend exhaustion, price response, money flow. We're going to use everything at our disposals today to give ourselves an idea of where the price could be heading over the weekend. So I don't want to do this sales throughout the whole video, so let me just show you guys real quick. The trend exhaustion, price response, money flow, there's a link in the description. That is underneath our bundle pack. If you guys want to get our bundle pack, we've got 82% off. Go ahead and click that link. Once you guys get the bundle pack, you guys do qualify for basically $400 off of the new indicators that we have. Let me read this out to you guys real quickly. If you purchase the bundle pack below, email us. We'll give you guys a huge discount on the indicators above. This is actually the TC top and bottom finder, and then it's actually cheaper to get the bundle pack and then email us for the coupon code and get the new indicators, which are the ones that you're going to see up here, these two. So everything is in the description. Let's dive into the video because I want to spend all the rest of the video talking about technical analysis. Just now you guys know where to snag them in the description. Okay, here's what we've got. I want to break down the 3 technical analysis signs and patterns that I see right now that everyone needs to be looking at. And these are the ones that are not biased, but they're unrefutable, as these are technical analysis patterns that we're seeing, okay? What we're seeing right now on the daily time frame is we're seeing an ascending channel. An ascending channel in nature is actually a bearish sign in the market because ascending channels usually look to break to the downside. So we have an ascending channel, and we need to call this out, and we're going to call this bearish, okay? So we have an ascending channel. A lot of ascending channels, I'll show you guys in the past, just to give you guys an example. Here's an ascending channel here, which broke to the downside. We can see over here, we have an ascending channel there, which ended up breaking to the downside. We have an ascending channel here that broke to the downside, and we have another ascending channel up here, which broke to the downside. And I can keep going over here over and over, like ascending channel over here that broke to the downside. All right, so that is by nature a bearish pattern. You guys can Google this. We know that. All right, there's our first sign in the market that we could be seeing some bearish movement back down. The second one is actually what's called a bear flag. So we have an impulse move down, and we've got what's called an ascending channel. So we just saw an ascending channel in the large view here. We call it the macro view. The micro view here is we have an impulse move down with an ascending channel. The ascending channel is bearish, but forming these together is what's called a bear flag. And a bear flag by nature is actually bearish as well. So what we have over here is we have a bear flag. And that by nature is bearish. Okay, so we've got 2 technical analysis patterns over here that are bearish in the nature of how they form and how they usually play out in the market. Is it 100% sure that they're going to play to the downside? No, nothing's 100% sure, but we have a high statistical probability that we are going to see that move down. Buy signal on the SPY, and it's most likely the 5-minute because I have this going off all the time. So let's move down with the indicators here. So if we move down here, we see price versus well money flow. The price being represented in pink and the well money flow being represented in green. Here is something that the price versus well money flow and the trend exhaustion show us that the TC top and bottom finder does not do. Yes, the TC top and bottom finder is the best metric that we can find. I personally believe is the best ever coded to call tops and bottoms in crypto and stocks and Forex. When a signal comes out here, you need to pay attention. It is a more accurate signal than anything that we have or anything out there that we can find. However, with that said, it does not show divergence. So what I'm watching for here is, funny enough, we can actually see price has been moving up here as it's correlated to price here, but we actually see well money flow, the second part of this, which is the green line. This is actually moving out of the market, causing a form of divergence. So this is our third point up here that we need to write down. We have what's called well money flow divergence, okay? And this, by nature, is bearish as well, okay? A bearish divergence is when price action is going up and we've got money flowing out of the market. This usually means that retail traders are being abandoned to the upside, and we're starting to see the collapse of the price in the near future. Let me show this to you guys actually on the 4-hour time frame because it's actually starting to take place a little bit. If you look at this and you look at this ascending channel right here, which is kind of forming on the daily, we've actually already broke this to the downside, and we currently have a break and a retest pattern. A break and a retest pattern on an ascending channel usually is also a bearish sign in the market. You guys can look all these up online, okay? So let's go back to the 1 day, and we need to write down our 4th one here for confirmation, just to give you guys all the full technical analysis. These are undisputed patterns in the market, okay? This is what's called a break and retest. And this is going to be in a ascending channel. A break and retest is usually bearish in the market, okay? So you're like, okay, we've got all these bearish signs. Now, here's something that someone brought up in our inner circle the other day. They said, Travis, well, when there's this much confirmation that we've got technical analysis patterns, an ascending channel, which is bearish, we have a bear flag, which is bearish, price well money flow divergence, and we also have a 4-hour break and retest, doesn't this mean that most people in the market are going to be looking to drop the price down, which is the perfect time for institutions to buy and short squeeze everybody? And the answer to that is yes, that is a very good time to short squeeze everyone. So let me do one more analysis here, and then we're going to wrap this up of how do we make conclusion of this and how do we position ourselves to win no matter what. That's what I really want to focus on. Trend exhaustion right now, we're basically just sitting in the middle. The overall structure of crypto is very exhausted at the bottom here. We can see that. When it gets down to these lower levels, that's usually when we're looking for moves back up. Now, is it as accurate as calling bottoms as the TC top and bottom finder? Like, no, it's not. Like, this is the most accurate for top and bottoms, but just showing you guys where that's currently lying. All right, now that we see and we've done our assessment of full technical analysis, what are we going to do? And here's where you have to kind of resolve all this in your hearts yourself as you guys go to bed today and you go into the weekend. You need to take a look at your personal account. And I'm going to refresh this here so you guys can see what I'm currently looking at. You need to assess how much cash you guys have in the current market and how much you guys have exposed to the market. So in the market account that we have right now, we have 67.36% cash in the US dollars, as you guys can see here. So this leaves about 33% exposed to the market currently. All right. What you guys need to decide is if Ethereum here, let's say Ethereum goes to, $3,000, okay? Or let's say Ethereum goes down to $1,000, okay? We're talking $3,000 or $1,000. Are you okay if your account earns on 80% of the money? Meaning, what if you guys actually took, if you have 100% of your money in the market, what if you took 20% out of the market right now and you just bought lower buy limits? Like, that's the thing I kind of want to land this video with right here is, here's the deal, guys. Let's stop trying to predict which way the market's going to go. This is fun and I enjoy this. And technically, this has more bearish signs than bullish signs because we just clearly went through that. But the thing is you guys are trying to figure out, like, what do I actually do? What action am I supposed to take today, Travis, on Friday, August 26th, to make sure I position myself the best? And here's my thought for you guys. If you're fully exposed, if you are fully exposed to the market, 100% of your cash is there, or if you're holding from trades that are 100% in the market, because we have more bearish signs than bullish, what about, I'm not a financial advisor, what if you just took 10 to 20% of all the open trades and you closed them right now and you ended up buying lower buy limits? This top and bottom finder comes with market orders and it comes with buy limits, guys, over here. Take a look at this. All these buy limits are set at perfect support levels as well as Fibonacci retracements. We give these to you guys with this indicator. So let's say you guys do this. You say you have $10,000 and you're like, okay, I'm going to take Travis' advice. We clearly have an assessment here where most of it is bearish. We're going to take 20% out. So you have $1,000, you take $200 out, and let's say you place, $100 at this buy limit here. And then you place $100 at this buy limit here. That is going to buy you guys risk management because you don't want to be waking up in the morning and someone's like, hey, I told you it was going to go down. You watch this video and you're like, oh, Travis showed us. Like, he showed us undeniable proof. The technical analysis patterns here show it's going to go down, but you still held all your money in your account. What if you just took 10 to 20% and you put them and bought lower buy limits? So if it does go down, you own more coins and it brings down your break-even average drastically, guys, if you buy lower. And the worst thing that happens to you is if this thing flies up, you earn on 80% instead of 100. Do you see the wisdom behind that? This is really setting you guys up for winning. Like, don't try to win on your whole account. It's very rare. It's the people who do get very, very lucky. It's about risk management at the end of the day. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, indicators are in the description, and you guys can snag those. Come over and watch the video we did yesterday. It's underneath the inside circle. I posted this yesterday. You guys can see that it's literally like a 2-hour meeting. We talked about a lot of things, and I think you guys are going to like that. The pricing for our membership, real quick, I don't want to go over too much sales here. Basically, $95 a month was what we had. We lowered it $20 a month for you guys. We added 4 more coins for crypto, and we added 20 stocks. You guys get access to these charts every single morning. So all of the charts I just showed you guys with the main metric that literally is calling almost the exact top candle, exact bottom candles. You guys get access to this every morning, every single day, even timestamps over here. This updates at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so you guys can see the markets of what's going on. And we can look at the SPY over here as well. We got the buy signal on SPY and the market went up. Yeah, the metric is super, super good at calling moves up and down. So check this. Or guys, come over and actually get the indicator itself so you can use it on any time frame. If you guys want the trend exhaustion, price for swell money flow, guys, use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout. You guys will get a discount on that. Or if you guys want to get the bundle pack, you immediately qualify for $400 off our new indicator, which it's cheaper to get the bundle pack and then get the coupon code, which, by the way, I give you guys the coupon code in here, so you guys don't need to email us or anything. Once you purchase, it's a PDF. You have the coupon code. You literally just go over, you purchase this indicator, and you get it today. Like, we'll give you guys access today. The sooner you purchase, the better. It's cheaper to get the bundle pack and get the discount than getting this by itself, and you get 11 indicators instead of 2. So the deals are flowing right now. It's a sweet deal. So click this, guys, and get everything set up on your charts. I think overall, we're probably going to see a little bit of a bearish move down here over the weekend because technically that's what we show. But overall, I honestly don't mind which way we go because we're set up perfectly with risk management, and that's where we have to bring it to at the end of the day. All right, I love you guys. Hope you really enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions, indicators in the description, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.